Shopping for the best keyboard for gaming that suits your needs can be confusing, but we'll keep it simple. The most important factors to consider are the latency, the switch types, and the overall comfort and feel. There are many gaming keyboards to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best gaming keyboards from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. SteelSeries Apex Pro Gaming Keyboard. The SteelSeries Apex Pro Gaming Keyboard is a game changer in the world of gaming keyboards. With its fully customizable and stupidly fast Omnipoint 2.2.0 adjustable hypermagnetic switches, this keyboard offers an unparalleled experience. The rapid trigger feature eradicates latency, dynamically activating and deactivating keys based on travel distance, ensuring lightning-fast responses. But the true magic lies in the ultimate control it provides, allowing you to set 40 levels of per-key actuation from 0.1 to 4.0 millimeters. Customize your WASD keys for ultra-fast movements and ability keys for deeper presses, avoiding accidental triggers. The 2-in-1 action keys take it a step further, letting you program 2 different actions on the same key, like walking with a light touch or sprinting with a deep press. With 20x faster actuation and 11x faster response than traditional mechanical keyboards, this esports-ready TKL form factor packs full-size functionality into a premium aluminum top plate, complete with a detachable USB-C cable. Number 2. Corsair K70 Gaming Keyboard. The Corsair K70 RGB Pro keyboard is a true masterpiece, retaining the iconic elements that made the K70 RGB an award-winning sensation. Encased in a durable aluminum frame, this keyboard exudes premium quality and durability. At its core lie the industry-renowned Cherry MXRGB blue mechanical key switches, delivering an unparalleled typing experience that you can both hear and feel with every satisfying click. But what sets the K70 RGB Pro apart is the cutting-edge Corsair Axon hyperprocessing technology, enabling a new level of performance by processing and transmitting your inputs up to a staggering 8x faster than conventional gaming keyboards. The polycarbonate keycaps not only offer exceptional durability but also a standard bottom row layout, allowing you to customize your setup with custom keycap sets. When the competition heats up, simply flip the tournament switch to enter a distraction-free mode, locking in static backlighting and disabling accidental macro activations, ensuring your complete focus on securing victories. Number 3. Razer Gaming Keyboard. Elevating gaming to an entirely new dimension, the Razer Gaming Keyboard redefines precision and control with its cutting-edge analog optical switches. Experience actuation at the speed of light, coupled with the finest degree of control, allowing you to set a desired actuation point tailored to your unique playstyle or utilize analog input for smoother, more nuanced command execution. But that's not all. The rapid trigger mode unlocks maximum speed and response, enabling you to release and repeatedly press keys at an unprecedented rate, granting you an unparalleled competitive edge. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this keyboard features double-shot PBT caps designed for unparalleled durability, ensuring they'll never degrade or have their labeling wear off, even after intense use. The onboard memory and lighting presets allow you to store and activate up to 5 keyboard profiles without the need for software, personalizing your experience further with a suite of Razer Chroma RGB lighting effects preloaded into the keyboard itself. Number 4. Logitech Gaming Keyboard. The Logitech G213 Prodigy Gaming Keyboard is a true masterpiece, blending brilliant color spectrum illumination with unparalleled comfort and performance. Personalize 5 individual lighting zones from a spectrum of over 16.8 million colors, synchronizing lighting effects with other Logitech G devices using the Logitech gaming software. The low light leak around each keycap ensures that more light comes through the lettering, making the illumination of each key more brilliant and easier to find in the dark. Designed for gaming and productivity, the G213 Prodigy boasts a comfortable, full-sized layout with a durable construction that repels liquids, crumbs, and dirt for easy cleanup. The integrated palm rest and adjustable feet allow you to set the keyboard to the ideal position, ensuring maximum comfort even during the longest gaming sessions. Number 5. Redragon Gaming Keyboard. Introducing the ultimate gaming companion, the Redragon S101 Gaming Keyboard and Mouse Combo. This all-in-one PC gamer value kit is a fantastic choice for gamers, offering an immersive RGB backlit experience with 7 different lighting modes and effects, 4 backlight brightness levels, and adjustable breathing speed. The keycaps provide clear, uniform backlighting, while the wing key can be disabled for uninterrupted gaming sessions. This keyboard boasts a spill-resistant construction and an integrated wrist rest, ensuring maximum comfort during marathon gaming sessions. The multimedia and anti-ghosting features take your gaming experience to new heights, with 25 conflict-free, 10 dedicated multimedia keys, and 12 additional FN multimedia keys, totaling an impressive 114 keys. Each key is designed for longevity, durability, and precise tactile feedback, while the full numeric keypad and gold-plated, corrosion-free USB connector deliver a reliable connection and ultimate gaming performance. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.